y'all, it's Betsy from Cuttin Corners Vinyl in Nederland, Texas, and today we have a fun video for you. We're going to be working with the new Chameleon adhesives. These are available online and in store on our website. Now, before I jump into showing you colors, I did want to tell you that right now on our website we do have a 15% sale going on off your entire purchase. Now, it does exclude kits and bundles, but it includes everything else, no code needed. So let's jump in and we'll go over the colors because these are stunning. First off is the shade orange. And what a chameleon color is in different lights, it will look different colors. So this definitely has like a corally orange, pink, yellow, bluish kind of tone. It's stunning. Next up is the blue. So as you can see, that has some blue, purple, green. Then we have the new gold. So you can see it's got some green, very, very pretty. Then we have the amber shade. So as you can see, it pulls very pink. Lots of different colors in this, or this could be the pink. That's part of the issue, is like they pull so many different colors, it can be a little bit difficult to tell. Bright green, love this color. The orange and the bright green, these two are definitely my favorites. Then we have, this is amber, the other was pink. So you see how that is mainly orange with some green. This one definitely screams like a fall chameleon. You know how beautiful this would be if you were making some fall decor and you wanted to do like a falling leaf, like do a tree. That might be something we do. So like a tree with some falling leaves, especially because different ways you look at it, it looks alive or it looks like the leaves are finally falling off. That is stunning. This is green. Now I know it looks mainly blue, but when you look at it, you can see it's got green. This for like a globe, stunning. Then we have yellow. This is one of my favorites. And last but not least, white. Again, I love this one. This one definitely looks like cotton candy. So what we're gonna be doing is decorating some binders. This is what it looks like done. I used the green and the bright green on this for Cameron for school. And y'all know he's doing virtual, but we still bought school supplies because we don't know when he'll be going back, but we wanted to have everything together. So you're gonna need a binder, your vinyl. The files are available on my Patreon page for the $4 or more a month supporters, linked in the description. Alcohol, transfer tape, squeegee, paper towel, parchment paper, because I use that to do the two colors, scissors, and easy weeding wooden pick. Now, before we jump into the other portions, whenever you do get to the overhead camera portion, my new microphone has not come in yet, so I try to use my headphones and it is not as loud as I want it to be, so you will want to turn it up to hear me talk on that part. So if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll show you how we made this. So the first thing that we need to do is download our files. Now, as you can see, I have all the different class labels right here under the August 12th of 2020 post. And this is available for my $4 or more a month patrons, which again is on my Patreon page, www.patreon.com. So we have theater, social studies, science, math, homeroom, English, computer science, and art. You can always make your own, but we made several. So now I'm going to go back to my Patreon page, and we're only going to use one today in the tutorial, but they're all available for you. So I'm going to choose the Science SVG, and it's downloading. Now I'm going to go down here to Cricut Design Space and click Upload. Go to Upload Image, Browse, and I'm going to choose the Science SVG. There we go. And click Save. Now I'm going to select that file and insert image. Okie dokie. So it's already the right size of what I need, but I do think I want to make this multiple color. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the word science and weld that together. And let's change that color because I want to use some of the new Chameleon adhesives. So we'll choose the bright green for that and make it where I cannot see that, and then select everything else. And we're going to go ahead and weld that together. And we'll do that in the Chameleon green, which is like a blue-green color scheme. It is so pretty. So let's go ahead and choose that. Now we'll make it where we can see both of them. And go ahead and click Make It. Now we don't have to mirror this or anything. It's already set up. Now we're going to go ahead and click Continue. Now, because these are Chameleon, it is like working with holographic, so it is that thicker material. So we're going to go ahead and choose Premium Holographic. And now we're going to send this to cut, so if you'll give me a moment, I'll show you how to put this together.
So we're going to do another binder today. I've already weeded the bright green layer. Look how pretty that looks. And we're going to go ahead and weed the regular green layer on camera. But I did want to show y'all something about how holographic works. Holographic Chameleon. A lot of them that have that real thick plasticky, how they want to kind of lift. Like that, you see how it wants to wrinkle. So if you're having issues with that, whether it be whenever you're going to apply it to, like when you're putting it on your mat, or when you're going to weed it, you can just take your squeegee and just squeegee that out very easily. And I recommend you doing that. And you can squeegee it down onto your mat, and that will help with any issues either. Okay. Science is Cameron's favorite subject. I don't know how y'all's kids are, but Cameron loves science. Okay. And see how I got it stuck back down on that vinyl. If you move it slowly, you can get it, no issue. But you can kind of tell it's very thick. And it does have a black background on that, so that way it helps with the color shifting aspect of it. So now I'm just going to take my Easy Weeding wooden pick and remove the centers. So as you can see, I have my parchment paper again. I wanted y'all to be able to make sure that you could see this very well. I'm going to take and just tape that down. Place the, oops, I lost part of my design. Y'all see that? But it's okay, we can fix it. Whenever it's a waxy backing like this, which is what all sticker material is stuck to, it's made to release easily. Okie dokie. There we go. Now we're going to take our transfer tape, which is just the Orr tape. And all the supplies, everything that I'm using in this video except for the binder is available on our website, which right now we do have 15% off your entire purchase all the way through August the 16th of 2020. It's our back to school sale, because like y'all know, Cameron's going to do virtual school this semester, or this 6 weeks. That's how we do it, is by the 6 weeks. But with that being said, and him doing virtual, I still am buying all of his school supplies because I don't know what they're going to need for virtual. And this time of year, it's on sale cheaper than it is at any other point. So that's what I'm wanting. Okay, let's go ahead and remove our paper backing. There we go. Okay. That actually works well for me. So what I'm going to do is flip that back, fold that out of the way. Oh, we shifted. It's okay. Okay. So, let's try this again. Parchment paper. Move the binder out of the way. Might help if I flip that right. That is one thing I need to do. Duh. I gotta have some of the paper hanging out from underneath. It's the little things like this, and I don't know. Y'all, I have been so exhausted, it ain't even funny. Okay. So now we have that tiny piece of paper hanging out. Gonna go ahead and just tape that down with a piece of tape. Okay. Shift that into place. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Now I'm going to remove the parchment paper. Take my squeegee and squeegee down in the center, avoiding the edges because I don't have anything under my S. Lift that up, perfect. Okay. Squeegee the whole design down. There we go. Now here's our binder. We want to make sure we have it the correct way, which we do. Take some denatured alcohol. This is just to make sure all the fingerprints and all that are removed off of it. You can use just regular rubbing alcohol. Denatured is what we always have around because we're used to having a sign shop. Okay. Now we're going to somewhat center this. I think that looks pretty cool. I like it kind of on an angle. Squeegee it down. And I always save my transfer tape because you can reuse it. Look how good that looks. Now, if you'll give me a moment to change the camera angle, we'll go over how we made this.
Hopefully you like this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Tuesdays, we always do a live. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it, so we shall see y'all on Friday.